2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Take home the car of your dreams today.